Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a V-stitch. For this, you'll need to know just how to do a single crochet. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 3 plus 1. I'll be doing 15 chains plus 1 for a total of 16. Alright, to get started, we want to chain 2. And in the third chain from the hook, we want to do our first single crochet. Followed by a chain 1 and a single crochet inside the same chain we just did our first one. We will skip 2 stitches, and in the third stitch, we will do a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet in the same stitch. And we'll repeat this to the end of the row. So skip 2, and the third one do a single crochet, a chain, and a single crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, chain, single crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, chain, single crochet. And in our last one, so skip 2, and in the third one, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Now this lovely lady that you see appearing, this is Zazel, my 3-legged kitten. She's just going to keep us company for a bit of this video, so don't mind her presence. So you can see after row 1 how you end up having these little ribs on top. These are where we will be doing our single crochets for the next row. So we're going to start out by chaining 2, and inside the top of that rib where that chain 1 space would be, we're going to insert our hook and do a single crochet, a chain, and a single crochet into that same spot. Skip 2 stitches, and in that chain 1 space that we got all nice up and ribbed right there, we're going to insert our hook, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Now sometimes for this project it is hard to see exactly where you're supposed to go for your next stitch. That's why it's important to keep an eye out where all the rib tops are, and that's a good indicator of where that chain 1 space is at. So we insert our hook into the chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So insert our hook, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. And then into our last stitch, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. And you will just repeat row 2 till your desired length and size. Super easy, super fun. You can see how it ends up giving it a lot of texture once you build up on it. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.